About the dashboard. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Historical sales data, 2019 to 2023. Bombay and Delhi branches show sales for products A and B. There's been a consistent increase in sales over the years for both products in the Bombay branch. The sales figures are quite substantial, with product B showing a particularly high number in 2022 for Bombay. Forecasted sales data, 2024 to 2029. The forecasted data suggests a positive trend in sales, continuing the pattern observed in the historical data. The AI engine predicts growth for both branches and products, indicating confidence in the market's expansion. Pie charts analysis. The pie charts provide a visual comparison between the historical and forecasted sales. They highlight the proportion of sales per product and branch, with distinct segments for each combination of branch/product/year. The charts suggest that product B has a larger share of sales compared to product A, especially in the Bombay branch. Observations. The dashboard effectively presents the data, allowing for quick insights into sales trends and forecasts. It would be beneficial to analyze the factors contributing to the sales increase for product B in Bombay to replicate the success in other areas. Thanks.